Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how can you upload 4K HDR footage on Instagram just using your iPhone, because iPhone supports HDR but most of the people still don't know how to upload it properly. So if you check my Instagram and latest reels upload, you'll notice all of them are in HDR. The quality doesn't drop, it doesn't lose clarity, and the colors look vibrant just the way they should. It's just amazing, perfect, and will be pleasing to everyone's eyes. So you can see it's completely in high dynamic range. So here's how to exactly do it. First, go to the App Store, Play Store, and download the official Edits app by Meta. It's a powerful video editor that allows you to export high quality videos with HDR support. And once you have installed it, create a new project is the first requirement. So let's open, and here you can see we need to create the new project, or if you're finished with the existing footage, you can just drag here or import, and then you can go with the steps. So after adding your footage to the timeline, make sure all your desired edits, adjust the colors, volume and music, applying filters, etc. Everything is done and best to your desired knowledge. So when you're done with the editing, just go above and you will see it will show 2K resolution as by default option. Just change the resolution to 4K if your footage supports it, and select your preferred frame rate, and most importantly choose HDR instead of SDR, because if you switch to the SDR, that's going to give you the simple dynamic range, and HDR is going to give you the best high dynamic range. And then go to the export and make sure you do not switch apps. It may crash the export process. So wait until the video is fully exported, and once it's done, you can just pick your app, whether it be Instagram or Facebook, and then just go to the thumbnail to pick from the section or upload manual, and that's it. This amazing method will give you the best possible HDR quality on your Instagram post and reels. Thanks for watching.